Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to cover the explicit wait in a Selenium WebDriver. So I had already covered the implicit wait in a Selenium WebDriver. So here, what is the explicit wait condition in the Selenium WebDriver means? So here, WebDriver waits itself is called as explicit wait. So wherever we we can't use the implicit wait other than the find element, so we should use a explicit wait since we specify the waiting conditions explicitly. It is called as a explicit wait. So when the conditions comes to wait until the statement, it will keep checking the condition after every whatever you are specified the durations. It will check if the condition is satisfied. It will go to the next statement. If the condition is not satisfied, then so even after the durations we get exception called as timeout exceptions. So all the conditions are present in the class called as expected conditions. These conditions are also called as a predicate. Okay, let me go to the for the in order to handle the synchronizations of the explicit method other than the find element and the find elements method, we can go for explicit wait or a WebDriver wait. And it is also called as a explicit wait because the use of explicitly gives the we are giving the explicitly give the conditions. To give the conditions, we have to use the static methods of expected conditions class. So here, what are the methods present in the expected conditions class means? So we have a alert is present, and title contains that, and title is, and URL contains, and visibility of. So these are the conditions what we give, what we give given are also called as delegates. Let me this is our block diagram. For understanding purpose, I added this block diagram. So here the block diagram explicit wait. These are the blocks contains condition is satisfied or not. And then we have a next block is called as it will go to the next statement. And next is if explicit wait time is over or not, and timeout exception, and wait for whatever you are giving the duration for that. So let me I'm going to explain this one. So when the control comes to the explicit wait, it will wait to verify the whether the condition is satisfied or not. Okay, if the condition is satisfied, it will go to the next statement. Okay, if the condition is not satisfied, okay, then explicit count will be verified whether the time is over or not. So it will verify that. If the specified time is over, the explicit wait will be throw the output exception. Okay, then that is called as a Selenium runtime exception. If the specified time is not over, then waits for 500 millisecond. Then waiting 500 ms is called as polling period. Polling period is present on the inside the uh, fluent wait, that is fluent class, that is nothing but a concrete class. The process continues until the condition is satisfied. So here the until the specified time is over. Okay, this is the block diagram explanations. Let me go to the Eclipse. So this is the applications I used. I will just log out this one. Yeah, this is the application I used. So I have a URL demo.actitime.com login to. This is a login page. So I have done this one. So go to the Eclipse. This is already I had written this code. Just I am going to explain this one. Here I use for system.set set property. Here I have given the webdriver.chrome driver. I have given the Chrome driver exist where the location is existed. That location I have given. So here the launching the browser. Then this for maximizing the window. Then I'm just giving the URL of here, and then I'm going to the URL. After going to the URL, so I'm just going to the username, then password. I'm then clicking on the login. So after that, what I'm doing is, inside, once we are going into the this page, yeah, here I have a link called as logout. Just I am taking this ID equal to, I have took this uh, element. Then I'm going to the this Eclipse. Here I am giving the WebDriver weight equal to new WebDriver weight. Once if you return this code, it will be uh, asking the this you we have to you have to import this uh, WebDriver weight. So we have a wait until expected condition dot visibility of element located by that ID. I am giving the element locator ID. So here I am just checking that one. The title is verifying. So the driver dot get title. Let me run this code. So right clicking on it, and then go to the Java application. So I'm going to just explaining about that wait dot until. What it does is, so wait dot until expected conditions dot title contains. So wait until the condition contains enter of the whatever I'm giving the 20 second, it will wait. Yeah, and then it is the browser started. Yeah, it is loading the page. Then it is entering the URL. Yeah, now it is entered the username and password, then click on login. Then it is going to the main page. Yeah, then it is going to the logout. It is waiting for 20 seconds. Yeah, then it is successfully. Let me run one more time. Yeah, now the successfully working fine. I'm kindly requesting subscribe this channel. Soon I will be adding one more videos and all. Thank you.